Welcome back to Clark's Art Culinary. Today we're making a vegetable beef soup. I have 1 pound of thinly sliced beef that I've cut into small pieces. You can use any cut of beef that you like. We're going to cut up 8 potatoes. And this is a rustic soup, so we're going to leave the skin on and cut the potato into bite-sized pieces. I'm going to add 1 carrot. You can also peel the carrot if you like. Again, we're just going to chop this into bite-sized pieces. And if you want to add more carrot, you most certainly can. We have some other vegetables to prepare. We've got 2 long bell peppers, and we're just going to slice them. You can use the regular bell peppers. They work perfectly fine. These look spicy, but they're just like regular bell peppers. We're going to slice 1 small Vidalia onion. And I have some massive green onions. I have never seen green onions so long, but we're going to chop them down and use them. We have 16 ounces of mushrooms. I'm just going to chop them in half. I already minced 3 cloves of garlic. I also have half a teaspoon of juice from ginger. And with that, we are now ready to go to the stove. Let's get the pot started. I've already turned the temperature on high, and I'm going to put in a tablespoon of avocado oil. I'm giving the oil a little time to warm up. We're going to saute the beef and all the vegetables minus the potatoes and carrots first. I'm going to go ahead and add the beef. Let the vegetables and beef saute for 10 minutes and stir occasionally. We've reached the 10-minute marker. Now we're going to add 4 cups of bone broth. And 4 cups of water. Add in the potatoes and carrots. Let's get some seasoning rolling. Add an 1/8 cup of anchovy sauce. If you don't have anchovy sauce, use salt to taste. Add in black pepper to taste. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Let's stir. Depending on the type of broth that you use, you may find that you don't need any salt at all. Let's bring the pot back up to a boil. Once the pot comes up to a boil, reduce to a slow simmer, place the lid on, and allow the soup to cook for 1 hour. Check every 15 minutes and stir. And now the soup is done, ready to serve. And now we have a delicious soup full of vegetables with tender cuts of beef, all down in a flavorful broth. Thank you for joining us here at Clark's Art Culinary. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye-bye.